really that sparked the switch in the way that he was playing?
I think the big key was the realization that we, like I've mentioned this already before, that we are not the old Talk 'N Text team. We cannot play like the old TNT team when we had Ronde and Jason. So I think that awareness and the acceptance of that reality was the turning point. And when we figured that out and we accepted that, then we had to make some changes in our approach, in our defense, in our offense. What you see now is, I think, the result of that.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Almon, welcome back to 5-on-5. But even if wala ka sa lineup, you're always in the team practices. You are updated when it comes to what the team is doing.
Yes.
And today you showed that you are ready once your jersey is on.
Siguro unang-una, thank you ako sa opportunity. Opportunity is still opportunity. Like, thank you ako sa kay Coach Shot, sa lahat ng coaching staff na mabigyan ulit ako ng second chance.
Can I say something?
Yes, Coach.
Meron na siyang vacation to Japan. Binabili na yung ticket, na-book na lahat ng hotel with his whole family, his wife and his 2 kids. And he gave that up. Kinancel na yun just to have this opportunity, si Almon. So, this is really a big sacrifice for him and we're very thankful. And we knew that we would need him here because we've lost Jello Razon due to appendicitis. So he underwent surgery last week. And naubos na yung mga point guard namin. Wala na Jason, walang Ray ng Batak, wala pang Jello Razon. We figured that Almon could be a big help, so we're very thankful for him.
We are now ready to entertain questions.
Almon, congrats. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Almon, parang wala ka na yata sa TNT. Expect mo ba na Glasgow tumawag?
Like what Coach Shot said, as in, since nawala ako sa TNT, parang naging mas motivated ako na wag ako na wag ko pabayaan yung sarili ko kasi anytime soon baka may tumawag sa akin. Yun nga, yung palagi kong pinagpipray na sana mabigyan ako ng second chance and dumating. Ngayon ayoko nang sayangin yung opportunity na nandito ngayon sa harap.
You think yung first time, second quarter, kaya nakalain mo yung assure na silyado na yung spot sa TNT?
Assure na ba na silyado na yung spot mo sa TNT dahil sa 3 tres mo kanina sa second quarter?
Based on my experience, hindi ako nag-take advantage sa mga ganun. As in, like what I said, kung ano lang yung nasa harap ko, kung ano yung opportunity nasa harap ko, yun lang yung focus ko muna for now.
What's hoping ko sa impact na agad ng balik sa TNT?
We knew the majority of Northport's defense is zone. They play a very good zone defense and we knew we needed a shooter to loosen up that zone. So we just made a basketball decision to hire a shooter and we knew Almon, the thing with Almon, he needs very little warm-up. Makapal kasi mukha nito kaya hindi niya kailangan warm-up, hindi siya nahihiya. He'll really let it fly. But we said that that's his job. Alam naman niya, yun ang talaga trabaho niya. And like you said, it was a very close game until those 3-pointers that he made in the second quarter. It's the difference.
How about Randall Venegas, sir? Was his trade scheduled to return now or matagal na rin siyang in shape and just waiting for the right?
Matagal na siyang sumasama sa full contact practice. But we waited for him to say na okay na ako, ready na ako, because alam mo yung mga ganyang injury, the major part there is really the mental and the emotional preparation. So while he was playing in almost a month na he was joining our full contact practices, finally when sinabi niyang ready na siya, Then we thought it was a good opportunity, and hopefully he can get his game wind back quickly. Today he was just good for 2-3 minute stretches. So hopefully mag-increase yun.
Coach, nire-reverse naman yata ng yung ticket nila.
Tama ka doon, ha? Oo nga, no?
Ano lang, nag-stay in shape ka rin during the time na nawala ka sa game.
Yun nga, like, yung nawala ako sa TNT, lagi ako nag-workout, nag-enroll ako sa Anytime, tapos may malapit sa amin na court. So, every time na may bakante doon, nag-shooting ako para at least kung may tatawag sa akin, ready ako.
Kasi wala tumawag na ibang team. Okay.
Honestly, meron, pero
Meron yan.
meron tumawag sa akin, pero hindi siya hindi nag-continue.
Sa PBA ba?
Yes, PBA.
Coach, sa inyo naman, Coach, alam naman natin yung na-grade hindi sa doon. 9 windows in tournament. Just your thoughts about it. Also, hindi pa yata ako.
Yeah, I don't want to comment on it until it gets approval. It's now with the PBA office, so I will reserve my comments for that.
Thank you.
Okay, Coach, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.